Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, the screws are right there.
Yeah. I'm not even close to needing the soldering iron. I gotta get this apart. Okay, great. Should have brought home one of my lights. Maybe I'll see in here. I can't. I can see. Okay. Oh man. This is this one, some sort of clip. Okay, so there's that one. That was easy. This one looks like it's a double stacked board. Let's see this. Oh no, okay. These three are a plug. Covered in some gunk. Plug, and I gotta solder these three wires to this board. I mean, it's broken, doesn't work, so worst I could do is F it up more, huh?
Yes.
Hoping to fix it. It's like some silicone to keep that in there. And this is the hard part here. To get these three wires soldered on. I think it's time to get this plugged in. It doesn't have a stand? Shit.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh.
Beautiful.
See if it's warm enough. It's not warm enough. It's gotta get warmer. Okay, so red, black, blue. Remember red, black, blue. Oh, it's the broken one gone. I'm just wondering if alright, let's just stay on. Have to swap some wings out, you damaged a bunch of wings. Hopefully we got enough wings to replace them all. I mean, it's the same. Is it red, black, blue?
Yep.
So that's my plug in it, that's my plug. So I need these three. Just want to go over here. size? What am I looking at here? That's solid? It's not strands. Yeah, 99% of the wiring will be strands, not solid. Of course, I get the 1% that's a solid wire from the tutorial videos I watch. Alright, so let's prep these. Alright, now let's get my flux. Alright, so soldering, you're supposed to heat it and then melt into it instead of welding and joining it. So you want to heat the one end. Just like that. And then, is it red, black? I should be able to heat this blob up and lay the wire in there. It's not hard. As soon as it melts, like you can't get the wire and pick it up. Black wire. And I am not a doctor for a reason. I don't have the steadiest friggin' hands.
Looks like you got it.
Sorta. I'm gonna try and drop a little.
Leave it.
Oh, no, see, I didn't get it in. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Be careful.
I don't see any wires. Maybe just melted the case.
Maybe you should put a bigger blob.
Yeah, well, it's hard to.
Do you want me
Can't
to
go
try
too
it?
big. No, it's not easy.
Oh,
You like a better. That one got it. There we go. There's one.
there's red, black, blue.
Yep. And red's the other way.
Careful of the other wires.
It's like, I don't know, it's weird. It's like times it'll heat her up right away, and other times it's like not heating her up very good. I'm not an expert at this at all.
Or like a button or something you push.
No. I don't understand why it's not.
Maybe the side of it?
Yeah, is there like one side of it that works? Is it the screw hole side? See, why did that time just...
Maybe twirl it while you do it? That's the edge.
Hey, why are you zooming in on... This is... Clarissa.
I know.
I don't think this is gonna work. I'm just making it work. This is not my forte at all. Like, this is not... That got melt... It's... This thing's effed. Tell you that right now. Even if I get these to solder in, this thing is not gonna be flight worthy. And I can't get the solder to sit.
There you go.
See, it won't.
Sure. Can you make a little drop on that little spot right there?
Yep.
Okay.
It's not tip, it's like the side. Maybe that's what I gotta change tips on though. It ain't gonna work. You crash it.
Well, guess if we want to do anything with the drone, we're gonna have to get a new one. 'Cause
Give it
this
up
is-
too. I know.
I just singed the other 3 fucking wires. I'm like,
See, it's not that easy.
no,
If you melt the other 3.
yeah, right there.
Oh yeah, so now you can see wire.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
So,
whatever.
well, you got that on there.
Yeah,
That's good.
yeah. But to angle it that way, I went,
I tried. I knew it would be difficult. I knew there was a limit for her to get it to work. That's what it is. Failed attempt.
so the drone is dead. It will be
Got crashed. We attempted repair.
and
No expert in soldering. Kind of winging it.
so we're just gonna have to get a new one.
So replacement will have to come over this year.
Oh well.
It is what it is. We tried.
What can you do, right?
Doesn't always work out.
All good.
kind of why I was putting this hair off for a while, because I had a feeling this is how this would turn out.